Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 5th chapter, that is the different kinds of material. In previous video already I have explained about that what is the acidic substances or what is the acid or what is the basic substances, what is the base. But today we are going to discuss about that what is the indicators. It is the second objective learning parts, that is called as what is the indicators. Students, almost all you have attached about this word indicators. Students, while you are going the bike, it has also two indicators. Four indicators are there. Left side two indicators are there. Right side also two indicators are there. Every vehicles having. Why? Now they should give that information. They will give the light to go which direction. If they want to go left direction, then they will that left side the indicator set will be light. If they need to go right side, they need the right side indicators. So before those who are coming the back of this vehicle, they can understand that above that add bike is going, or they should go right side or left side direction. Okay, but students, in your home also you have seen that in electric board there will be one red light on the board, that is called as also indicator. Tester having also some indicator. Why? What is that? In TV light or red light, red LED bulb it is there, that is also called as indicators. That means why? That it is gives us the power present or not. The power is present in that system or in the board or in home or not. To detect, we are using that indicators. Yes or no? If that red light or red bulb or red, it is light on is there, that means light is there, then we can say that current is now is there. So to get that information about that current, we are using these indicators. Yes? Okay. So in chemical substances properties, in acidic or base solution properties, we don't want to find out by our testing by our tongue or by mouth every time. So to detect the substances, whether it is acidic substances or it is basic substances or it is neutral substances, to detect that we are using the indicators. Some substances we are using, that substances generally called as indicators. Are you clear, students? Indicators are those substances which are using to test the acidic substances or basic substances. So it is also indicator is one substance which one we are using or adding on the acidic substances or the basic substances. Before knowing that, we will put that indicators. Then we can find out if it changes its color. Then we can find out as usual the properties. We can find out whether the substances is acidic or basic solution. Okay. So let us start now. What is that indicators definition? Students, write down. The indicators are the substances that are used to test the acidic or basic nature of substances. That means substances are called indicators. Okay, friends. That means indicators that the one substances which can test, which are used to test the acidic substances. Whether the substance it will give one, suppose in a beaker I will give you one solution. How can we find out whether it is a basic or it is acid or it is a base? How we should find out? How we should detect? Now you don't have to directly cannot test. If it is shown there, we can say, but we should not do. So for that, what is that? One indicators we are using that. If it changes in color, then according to that properties, we can say whether it is acid or it is base. Okay, so that is called as a indicator. So which substance we are using for that? That substance is called as a indicators. So many types of indicators are there. One is litmus, One is, what is that students? You should see, we are getting litmus, turmeric, china rose and a phenolphthalein methyl orange. So different types of indicators are there which are you are using to detect the acidic substance or to test the basic solution. Okay, so students, these indicators naturally, what is that? Indicators change their color when added to an acid or basic. That means, see, suppose one indicator if you will add, if there is no change, what will happen? That means may it is the acid or base, we can say that according to the properties, but specially it changes its color. It changes into color. But suppose if you put that in acid, suppose it is, we don't know, but whether suppose it is should take that it is acid. Then if blue litmus paper if you put in that, then it changes to red. But if you put the red litmus paper, then what will happen? It does not change its color. Okay, that means you have to understand this is also acid only. Okay, so students, let us start that now. There that indicators generally two ways we are getting. Indicators we are getting two ways. One is naturally we are getting, another one we are preparing in laboratory. Okay, in lab we are preparing. What is that? So which one we are getting from the nature? Natural we are getting litmus, turmeric. Do you know, you have idea about the turmeric? Okay, turmeric and china rose. You have seen that red color china roses are there. Those china rose petals, turmeric and litmus. These three we are using, we are getting from the nature. That means nature created these three things and we are using as a indicators. Second one is by laboratory preparing. By laboratory preparing, indicators are phenolphthalein. It is new words you should write down and practice this methyl orange. These two things, phenolphthalein and methyl orange, we are preparing in laboratory. Okay, students. So there are generally two types of indicators. One naturally we are getting, another one artificially like laboratory we are preparing. Naturally what we are getting? We are getting litmus paper, turmeric and china rose petals. The petals of china roses, some petals are there, that petals we are using as indicators. Okay, and second one we are getting from the laboratory. From the laboratory we are preparing, and that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Okay, students. Now first of all we will discuss about that. What is the litmus? Students, litmus is one of the plants. It is derived from the one lichen plant. Litmus derived from the, we are getting from the one plant that is called as a lichen plant. So litmus we will discuss. One is also an indicator. It is the most commonly used indicators. Almost all maximum members or maximum times it is very easy method. So litmus paper we are using. Okay, to detect, to find the acid solution or to find a basic solution, we are using specially litmus paper. Okay, it is obtained from the lichen plant. This litmus paper we are preparing like a paper, but from where we should get? Now we are getting one plant. That plant name lichen plant. You should remember, friends. What is the plant name? Lichen plant. Okay. On adding to an acidic solution, it turns red. Students, I told you this litmus papers are two types. Litmus papers are two types. If that blue litmus paper, if we add one substances, we don't know that substances. Suppose, students observe here, I am explaining with one activity like way. So you see, suppose this you have taken the substances, something. Solution you have given you, unknown solution. This is unknown solution. Okay. So I want you find out that I gave two litmus paper also. Two litmus paper I have given you. Red litmus paper I gave, and also blue litmus paper I gave. Two students I, one student I gave. But red litmus paper. Another student I have given. What is that? Blue litmus paper. They two litmus paper they took and made a same solution I gave. Whatever the solution, both for same I gave. Those Students, which students that got that what red litmus paper? If you will put or insert that, if you will put that litmus paper in this solution, red litmus paper does not change anything. As usual, red means red it will stay. If red litmus paper, no change. No change. If it is acid, no change. But the blue change into red. Did you understand? If it is acid solution, suppose we don't know, but if suppose it is acid, we unknown solution. This is red litmus paper. If you put, there is no change. If blue litmus paper will keep, then it changes into red. That means we understand that it is acid. Fine. Now red litmus no change. If any substances, chemical substances, if you put that red litmus paper, there is no change of that litmus, then we can say it is acid. If suppose blue litmus we have kept, it changes into red, then we can say it is acid. But if blue litmus no change, then it is base only. Remember carefully friends, if blue litmus no change, there is no change of the blue litmus paper, then we should say it is a base. On adding to the basic solution, if basic solution if you add this, it changes to blue, that means red changes into blue. Blue does not change in base. Remember carefully students, you will get the confusion. Blue litmus paper if will put in a base, there is no change. Red litmus paper if will put in a acid, there is no change. But red litmus paper if will put in base, then it changes into blue. Blue litmus if will put in acid, then it changes into red. So blue litmus changes into red in acid. Red litmus changes into blue in base. Okay students? So there are how many types of litmus paper students? There are two types of litmus, one red litmus and one blue litmus paper. Okay students, next we will discuss, tomorrow we are going to discuss about that, what is the neutral solution and what are the indicators like turmeric, China rose and phenylephthalate and methyl orange in the next video. Okay students, I hope you have understand about the indicators and what is the litmus paper about that. So you write down this notes in your notebook and prepare well about this. If any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.